This video is for reference only. It is not a replacement for in-person training. Before use, check certification and annual inspection report. All equipment must be inspected within the past 12 months. The Associated Bank River Center Davit Assembly Instruction Video, presented by ZS. ABRC Davit assembly requires full PPE, including safety boots, safety gloves, safety glasses, hard hat, and high visibility clothing. Davit assembly components are located in the storage area on the 16th floor. Use the freight elevator to access the 15th, 21st, and 25th floors. 15th floor Davit assembly. Please note that the 15th floor Davit assembly uses the tall Davit mast and the 48-inch Davit masthead. Transport all Davit components to a clear work area. Begin by assembling the Davit arm by inserting the aluminum beam through the masthead. Make sure all cotter safety pins are inserted through the locking pins. Attach the support bars to the aluminum beam. Use a calibrated torque wrench, not supplied by ABRC, to set the bolts to 90 foot-pounds. When working on corner areas where safety rails are removed for Davit assembly, workers must wear a harness and lanyard and be tied off at all times. Use an Allen wrench to remove the corner section of the safety rail. Install the Davit arm adapter sleeve. Insert the Davit lifting arm. Insert the Davit post into the adapter sleeve. Attach a chain fall to the lifting arm and Davit post. Raise the Davit post to be perpendicular to the lifting arm. Check the speed screws on the Davit mast to ensure that the mast will slide onto the Davit post. Insert the masthead onto the Davit mast. Continue raising the Davit assembly while a coworker supports the masthead until it is clear of the ground. Turn the speed screws to be finger tight. Attach lead and safety lines. Continue raising the assembly to the vertical position and lock the assembly into place with the last locking pin and cotter safety pin. Disassembly. Attach the chain fall. Remove the rear locking pin on the adapter sleeve and begin to lower the Davit assembly. Remove the masthead. Remove the Davit mast. Remove the lifting arm. Remove the adapter sleeve, making sure to reinsert locking pins and secure them with cotter safety pins. Install the safety rail corner sections. Davit assemblies on the 21st and 25th floors require window access through occupied office spaces. Please note that the 21st and 25th floor Davit assembly uses the shorter Davit mast and the 40-inch Davit mast head. Use a shipping blanket or similar material to protect the window area from damage. The 21st and 25th floors require a harness and Y-lanyard. All workers must be tied off at all times while on these roof areas. Work as a team and carefully move Davit components to the exterior roof area. Some davits on the 25th floor require an angle adapter. Install the adapter prior to installing the adapter sleeve. Install the adapter sleeve, making sure to secure all locking and safety pins. Insert the aluminum beam through the masthead and secure with the stabilization arms. Tighten the stabilization arm bolts to 90 foot-pounds. Insert the davit post into the adapter sleeve. Attach the masthead assembly to the davit post. Attach the lead and safety lines. Work as a team to slowly lift the davit assembly into the vertical position. Insert and secure the last locking pin with a cotter safety pin. Disassembly. Remove the rear locking pin and slowly lower the davit assembly. Remove the lead and safety lines. Remove the masthead assembly. Detach the stabilization arms. Remove the aluminum beam from the masthead. Remove the davit mast. Remove the adapter sleeve and adapter from the davit base. Carefully return components to the interior area. Transport all components back to storage.